So today we will do nested query. What is today's agenda? Nested query. Okay. So let me explain you what is nested query with a real world example. Okay. So we have two machines. Let's say this is a printing press. So in a printing press you will have two machines. Machine 1, which is the printer, and machine 2, which is the binder. I will feed blank pages to the printer and it will print those pages for me, and then these printed pages will go to the binding machine and I will get the textbook. So this is my textbook with all my pages inside printed. Okay, so how many machines I have? Two. Machine 1, machine 2. Machine 1 will take an input, will give an output, and machine 2 will take an input and give an output. So my question is, what is the output? What is the input to machine 2? Machine 1's output becomes, so that's why I have taken this yellow, I made this yellow arrow. Okay, so what is this yellow arrow indicating? That the output of, yes, the output of machine 1 becomes the input of input 2, machine 2. Correct? Understood this sentence? Okay. Now nested means one inside the other. So you will have one outer and you will have inner. So here, which is the outer circle and which is the inner circle? Red. So I am having circle inside a circle. So I will call it as nested circle. So which is the outer circle and which is the inner circle? Red. Here I am having two select. One select and inside select. So this select is, and this red select is inner. So the inner select is your first machine. The inner is your machine 1. Okay. So machine 1. And your outer is your machine 2. And this is how it passes the data, right? So first, which machine will be solved? Inner machine. And whatever output comes, that output is given as an input to the machine 2. So I will write select inside a select. We will evaluate the inside select first. That inside select will give us an answer. That answer will go as an input to the outer select. And what that select returns is our answer of the actual query. Okay. So inner select का output, outer select का input बनता है ना? Okay. So now let me take the practical example of this. So this is, let's spool it. So I have a folder made for you guys. So I copy the path of my folder, spool, and let's give today's, okay, just make it simple, nested query.txt. Okay, so that we know what we did that day. If you want, you can put the date also. Today is 0308. Make sense? So this file is created. Now this is the table I have. Okay, now I'll give you two queries. Okay, I'll give you two queries. Display me the maximum salary in the table. Display me the maximum salary in the table. What is the maximum salary? 1200. Okay. So what is the query for that? Max of sal from employee. So what will that give me answer as? So what is the output of this query? Output of this query is 1200. Okay. So this is my printing machine. This is my printing machine. Okay. Now if I want to give you another query, display me the name of the employee whose salary is 1200. If I want to give you this query, display me the name of the employee whose salary is 1200. So what is the query for this? Select ename Why max? Select name of employee whose salary is 1200. So select ename from employee where salary equals to. So what is that? Who's he? Alice. So she is Alice. Make sense? Correct? Now my question to you is, display me the name of the employee earning maximum salary. This is my question. So who is the employee who is earning maximum salary? Alice. So now I have two queries. I need to also find the maximum salary, then the name of the employee who is earning maximum salary. Okay. So now I have two tasks at hand. Okay. So first I need to find the maximum salary, and then the name of the employee who is earning maximum salary. So this will give me Alice. This will give me what? Alice. So what will this give me first? What will this give me? Output as 1200. Correct? This 1200 will go to the over here. So what will be this? What will this query be? Select max sal from whatever name is. Okay. So what will this? This will give me what? 1200. And this 1200 I'll give it to this query and say what? Select ename from employee where salary equals to the output of the printing machine, right? So whatever output comes from there. So if max salary is 7,000, then 7,000. Whatever output comes here. So what is the output that has come from here? That will be the input over here. Okay. So now let's design that. So now the query will be like this. Okay. So this is the outer select. So what do we have to display? What do we have to display? That is the final output you want. So select ename from. Okay, let's take it one line. Select ename from employee where salary equals to. Now in round bracket the inner query. Select max sal from employee. So which query will be resolved first? Inner query. So select max sal from employee. What is the output? 1200. And that will be replaced by this, and it will be select ename from employee salary is 1200. So what is an ename? Alice. So it will resolve this first. It will resolve this first. So what is the output of this? 1200. So we can substitute this shaded portion with 1200, and then select ename from employee where salary is 1200. So what is the ename? Alice. So when I run this query, I will get Alice, answer as Alice. थक जाता कभी कभी नहीं आया? Yes, no, maybe. This is called as nested query. Getting it? Now from this table, display me the employee number and employee name of the highest paid male employee. Who is the highest paid male employee over here? So first what will we calculate? Highest paid male employee, right? And then his employee number. So we have to display what? What do we have to display? E number, E name. So what will we select? Select E number, comma, E name from employee where salary equals to select max of sal from employee where gender equals to m. Gender equals to, so gender equals to m, which is the max salary. Gender equals to m, which is the max salary, 9,000. So this much will evaluate to 9,000. Yes or no? And then select employee number, employee name, and from employee where salary is 9,000. Whose? So if I run this, it should show me. स्क्रोलिंग में होने थोड़े हो जा रहे हैं भाई साहब, नीचे तो नहीं आ रहा आंसर, पता नहीं क्यों आ रहा है इसका। क्या बोल रहा है? एम्प्लॉई ना, एम्प्लॉई INT, व्हाट अ शेम, फ्रॉम टेबल नेम एम्प्लॉय INT, राइट, वेयर sal equals to select from employee INT, करेक्ट। सो क्या आया? 102 और ऐसे टाइम पे अपने को नेस्टेड क्वेरी बहुत काम में आती है। Okay, if I say display me the name and salary of the oldest male, of the eldest male employee. Who is the eldest male employee? 103 Ben, right? 103 Ben is the eldest male employee. So how will we do that? Select in from where what? Age, right? Age equals to select max of age from gender equals to Ben, correct? So 103 Ben. So here you can use nested queries. Getting it?